Okay. So we have completely formatted Rishi's report, and now it's so we have completely formatted Rishi's report, and now it's looking much more beautiful than earlier. It now has proper alignment, proper spacing, and various fonts, and with this we come to the end of Rishi's report. We have formatted it to look more beautiful. We have used various effects on fonts, and we have checked the line spacing, bullets, numbering, and we have also inserted a table, and not only that, we have inserted a picture. So this report is now very much presentable, and before it is submitted to the teacher, let us take a print out of it. So for that we need to check the print setup. How do we take the print out? For that, go to the file menu and go to the print preview and just see how it looks. Before you take a printout, you must look at the preview and decide whether it is okay or not. Yes, and then close the preview. If you are satisfied with the preview, then give the final print command. When you click on file menu and you look for print, you click on the print and see what do you want to print. Do you want to print all the pages or only selected pages? For all pages, click on this radio button. If you want only page number 1 or page number 2 or 3, you can click like page 1 to 2, you can say, and supposing if you want 1 and 3, what we have to do is put a comma and say 1 and 3. You can give any page. You need not print all the pages in order. Okay, now let's take page number 1 and 2. You can, now what is it that you want to print? Do you want to print all the pages, or you want a particular page, or you want a particular range of pages 1 to 3, or you want particular pages like 1 and 4, skipping 2 and 3. You can select the pages that you want to print. Now I want only page number 1. Then how many copies you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, depends. And how do you want them to be printed? Supposing okay, what is it that you want to print? All pages or a particular page, say page 1 or page 2, or you can print a range of pages from 1 to 3, or you can print particular pages 1 and 3 using commas. Presently I want page 1 to 2. And how many copies you want? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how do you want them? Collated or non-collated? Non-collated, you get first page of the first copy, then first page of the second copy. then second page of the first copy and second page of the second copy, and so on. And if you want one complete set at a stretch, say collate, you will get all the pages of copy 1 and then all the pages of copy 2. This is how we select. Okay, then page layout. How many pages per sheet? Suppose you want all the pages, or suppose you want more than one page in a sheet, you say 2 pages per sheet. So the size of the page will automatically, so the paper automatically takes 2 pages from left to right or from top to bottom. How is it that you want? Then do you want borders or not? And what are the other options? If you don't want, you only want to print it to a file, that means save it as a PDF, you say print to file. Here you are not getting a hard copy of it, you are just printing it to a file and it will be saved in some name 123. This is how you can print to file, that is export to PDF. Okay, in this, let's see what happened to this 123. Rishi's report 123. What is it? It's now so after selecting all the properties that we want, we give a final after selecting all the properties that we want, we can give a final command and the file will be printed. Okay, finally it's ready for print, and with this OK command we start printing. Thank you very much. Here we come to the end of formatting and printing.